Guys, I wanted to share something. Today, something amazing has delivered to my door. Yeah, you guessed it right. Of course, you know by the title what has delivered. It is the brand new OnePlus 7T, which is right over here in the house. So yeah, let's take a look. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the unboxing and my first impression overview of this OnePlus 7T. Yup, let's begin. So as you see guys, this is a box. So as you see over here guys, this says this is the OnePlus 7T. It's a culmination of all our design and engineering efforts and crafted for those who like us always strive for the very best. Okay, and then we have the OnePlus 7T logo over here. OnePlus logo is also over here, and then we have some of the information present over here. Yeah, by the way, this is a frosted silver variant. It has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and MRP is 37,999. This is the box of this phone. So yeah, let's unbox it guys. This time we don't have to use any knife because they have given this pull tab over here. Just let me try. So as you see, it is quite easy to unbox this phone this time because of this pull tab. Okay, and there is no seal. That's weird. Let's open this box. We have another pouch over here. Invitation letter. So we have some type of letter over here. If you wanna read it now. Then after that we have some stickers. Then we have some of the booklets. A lot of booklets actually. It's a safety information guide. Okay, so the device is here. So this is the phone guys. This is the phone. Let's remove it from the plastic. Wow. As you see guys, this is the phone. Fully matte finish. Wow, it looks good guys. As you see over here, it looks pretty fantastic, especially in this matte color. As you see, by the way, it does catch some fingerprints as you see over here. Okay, over here. Okay, over here. Okay. Okay, that was not good. What the fuck? Let's turn it on. Okay, till it's booting up. Let's see what else we got inside this box. We have a pull tab over here. As you see guys, we got this case over here and the quality seems pretty good, and the camera bump will be definitely protected with this, so that's great. I'll try the cover in a moment. Then we have SIM ejector pin over here and a USB Type-C cable. And the warp charger is here as you see over here. So it's a warp charger 30. It has a output rating of 5 volts 6 amperes. So basically it's a 30 watt charger. Let's put it in the cover because I don't want to drop it again. Well, the cover fits pretty nicely. Not bad. It's a very good cover by the way. Let's quickly set up the device. Wow, I am feeling the 90 Hz panel here. It has a pre-applied screen protector, so that's great actually. And as you see over here guys, this cover has a pretty good protection. It has a lip protection for the screen, so the phone won't touch to the ground, and it has a proper cutout for the alert slider, and the buttons are quite tactile with it. Let's do a physical overview of this phone guys. We have the alert slider over here and the power button, and then moving to the bottom, we have the primary speaker over here and USB Type-C port as you see, and a SIM card tray. Let's open it and let's see what is the combination they offer. Of course there will be no micro SD card support because micro SD card is for losers. I'm just kidding guys. At Apple and OnePlus think that micro SD card is for losers. I guess that's why they don't give the micro SD card support. So we have dual SIM card support guys. This small little thing can support dual SIM card. One is on the front and one is on the back. Well, it has a plastic ring around it, so basically it's a little bit water resistant, so that's great. And then moving to this side, we have a power button and some antenna lines too. On top we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone hole, and moving to the front we have this earpiece which also doubles as a front firing second speaker. That's great actually. Then we have this 16 megapixel front facing camera, guys. Yeah, it's a 16 megapixel f2.0 camera. And then we have this 90 hertz panel. This is a 6.55 inches display, and it's a Fluid Amoled display. Basically, it's a AMOLED 90 hertz display. It's a 1080p, not the 1440p one, but 1080p is good enough. And it has 402 ppi, and it is also protected by Gorilla Glass. I have no idea which variant of the Gorilla Glass they are using, and it has 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. HDR10 is also supported over here. So basically, the peak brightness of this display is 1000 nits maybe. Move to the back of this phone. We have this triple camera setup on this ugly circular design. I don't like this circular design. Maybe after some time I will get habitual of it, but the primary sensor is the same 48 megapixel IMX586 sensor with OIS, and the aperture of that is a 1.6. And then we have 12 megapixel telephoto lens. That's great, with 2x optical zoom. Basically it's a 2x telephoto lens. And then we have 16 megapixel ultra wide lens with autofocus. So amazing. And we have dual LED flash. It can support 4K 30 fps, 60 fps, 1080p 30, 60, 240, 720p, 960 fps is also supported. EIS is also present over here, so that's great. And as you see, guys, even though it has 6.55 inches display, it does not feel that big because of the bezels. By the way, this back glass is also protected with Gorilla Glass. I am not sure about it, so don't quote me on it. Face data is added. Let's add fingerprint, guys. Okay, so the fingerprint is also added. So as you see, guys, the device has been set up right now. So this is a phone. Oh my god, guys, 90 hertz is just amazing. You have to experience it to believe it. Wow, the smooth is next level. So let's go. Oh my god, this phone is shipped with Android 10 out of the box, which is amazing. As you see over here, guys, we have Android 10 over here. My variant has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, out of which 101 GB is free. So that's great. By the way, that's a UFS 3.0 storage. Well, we have some amazing options over here. Like I can change the screen refresh rate to 90 Hz or 60 Hz, whatever I prefer. Then we have ambient display option. Okay. Great. The button tactility is good. Let's test the fingerprint scanner first, then we'll test the camera. Okay, we have to touch it. Oh, not bad, guys, not bad. Here's the fingerprint scanner. Not bad. It's pretty quick and quite accurate. So we have to first tap it once. Now let's test the face unlock. Wow. Okay. The face unlock is very, very quick. Now let's test the cameras. Okay, so as you see over here, guys, we have 1x mode, we have wide angle lens, and we have telephoto lens. So let's take some pictures of this knife. 2x and wide angle. So this is a normal photo, guys, the 48 megapixel. Plenty of details, not bad. I mean, the lighting is pretty good, so I can't judge it right now. I will judge the photos in the full camera review, though that will be live soon. This is a 2x zoom photo, and this is a wide angle photo. Wow, even the wide angle has pretty good quality, and it has some micro lens. So let's try this macro. Okay, the focusing distance is just insane. Oh my god, shit. Whew. Guys, this is very, very weird. My god, guys, look at this USA sign. I mean, wow. As you see over here, let's try on my skin. Still it is focusing. Wow, the minimum focus distance has been decreased a lot. Let's see the details. Wow, I am impressed, OnePlus. I am impressed with the macro lens. And now let's try the front facing camera. So this is how I am recording, guys. You know, this is a trick. If you want to get amazing audio and your room is not acoustically treated, then you can use this trick. You can use the Joby Gorilla Pod and put the microphone over here and wrap the Joby Gorilla pod around your neck, so it will be amazing. By the way, the lighting is amazing. The first softbox is here, second softbox is here. So yeah, so let's take a selfie, and the beauty mode is off. Let's turn it on beauty mode and let's see the beauty mode of this phone. Let's try portrait. Okay, let's see the pictures. So this is a portrait pictures, guys. Okay, it's okay in my opinion, not some amazing. Okay, the details are not that amazing or something like that, but it's good. I mean, it's a 16 megapixel selfie. It's okay, guys, it's not bad. Skin tones and all, it looks good. Especially the dynamic range is good. I have heard that it has a very good speakers. So let's try the speakers. Okay, so it's a completely stereo speaker sound. Not bad. Let's see some of the HDR videos because this display supports HDR. So let's see. Wow, my god. Look at the details, guys. Look at the details. Wow, guys. Wow. Look at the display of this phone. Impressive, isn't it? A lot of features regarding battery, like AI power saving mode. You have professional setting where you can enable a lot of things, like what app should consume more power. This is it, guys. This is it. This is first impression video of this OnePlus 7T. I am gonna make some amazing videos on this smartphone. So if you are interested to see some amazing videos on this OnePlus 7T, I will be covering this phone in very good depth. So if you are interested, then feel free to subscribe this channel and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one and new videos on this phone. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this was the unboxing and my first impression of this OnePlus 7T over here. This looks pretty gorgeous, but let me put it inside the case. Otherwise, if it will drop, I don't want to get a heart attack. By the way, I bought this device. This is not a review unit. So yeah, all the opinions are going to be unbiased completely. So yeah, this was the unboxing and first impression. I hope you do found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who want to buy this smartphone. And if you want to purchase this smartphone, then use the link which is provided in the description box below. It's an Amazon affiliate link. If you use that link, it will help out the channel without costing you any extra penny. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.